Hi guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Alright, on this sweet day, we will review an automatic voltage regulator found on the AVK branch generator. What is meant is the AVR, which is used to stabilize the output voltage for the output of a generator. The AVR we are going to talk about is the brushless type. This engine is what drives a generator that contains an AVR, which we will talk about. An engine from Germany. This engine is very efficient because at high speed it activated turbo. At high speed, the turbo will be active. The air from the turbo compression will be reversed into the pressure chamber on the engine. And this is a fairly large generator with capacity of 1230 kVA. Usually you will find an AVR if you open the front box of this unit. If you are correct, you must have seen this terminal. And this is the manual book of the generator that I bought, which consists of only a few pages. The series is located on the last page. Did you know that I have already made a schematic wiring diagram that I saw of an existing printed circuit board? I also hope that what I am saying and what I am presenting is hopefully useful for you, especially for those who need troubleshooting on this AVR. All the spare parts that are on this AVR can be found on the market. The difficult thing is maybe a ferrite core transformer or another type of the transformer. I apologize to you because I cannot display it from the printed circuit board for you. And thank you for watching.